Just chilling with the kitties in bed. It's a Sunday. Sunday, December 1st. Yeah, this is Cass. He's the big boy. And then there we go. Some focus. Is Kit. Yeah. She is smaller than Cass by quite a bit, though it looks worse than it does. I think sometimes because she curls up and he tends to lay out, and then he has this giant tail. Yeah. See, I'm just fluffy. I'm not fat, I'm fluffy. Kit's getting a little older. Both of them I got from a rescue, about 2 years apart. I got Kit as a 2-year-old, so she was an adult when I got her. She'd actually already had kittens, and they adopted out all her kittens, and then she, I guess, hadn't been adopted for many months, and then I found her, and she found me, and the rest was history. And then 2 years later, this little kitten at the time came along, and definitely made life interesting for Kit and for me. But there are both my babies. Yep.